So today's tip of the day is don't focus on money. What I mean by that, and it's like, what? Why are you talking about don't focus on money? Like, this is why I'm actually trading. So the essence of this lesson is don't focus on money, focus on your execution. So the focus on when you enter the trade, how you enter the trade, and how you exit the trade. And that's what will like make money for you. Money will take care of itself if you focus on trading rules, you focus on the execution of these rules. So I am making another section on trading rules, or the golden trading rules. So keep an eye on that playlist, because that'll help you become a more better trader in your approach or your trading mechanics. So always never focus on money. Like, keep that at the back of your mind. And a good way to, like, divert your attention is look at your scorecard or your journal, like in the sense that let that tell you how much you've gained or lost, but never let that get to your head. Because if you consider or you focus on just, okay, how I made 500,000 this month or this year, it'll make you take irrational decisions from there, because you've got confidence in you. So focus on your system, focus on getting in and getting out at the right time and at the right way, and money will follow. It'll take care of itself. You can buy the best house, you can buy the best car, but don't focus on the money and don't focus on the car or the house. Focus on your trading. Stay tuned for another episode coming soon.